Okay, so this might not seem like it, but it has been a while since I vlogged, okay? But yeah, there are quite a few vlogs that are pending, but nevertheless, this is gonna be another casual one because up until this point, it was casual, right? From this point onwards, it's gonna be like, I think, around the visa stuff, the US stuff. But abhi ke liye, this vlog is gonna be a casual one, okay? So the thing is, when I say something casual, bro, it is that Lalwani and I, as usual, we don't have much to do in life right now. What we are planning on doing is just going to Church Street, bro, because we'll get back to you on that. With that, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day to live. Yeah, bro, we're just planning on booking a cab now and we're gonna drink some coffee right here because this is the usual adda. Bro, to be frank, I don't think it's been a while since we went out. I mean, we didn't go out at all. Like to eat or party or anything, bro. To be very frank, I don't think we left Electronic City in quite some time. So yeah, the last time we planned on going out, we thought of just getting some drinks on the day we got our visa slots. But that day, elections ka results announced hua, so every single thing was closed that day. So, yeah, I think you're all caught up. Just drink some coffee and head out of here, man. Uncle, coffee, chai. Uncle, no fucks given.
2.5 CR jewelry washed away in heavy rain.
2.5 CR ka jewelry washed away in a rain. Jewelry shop Uncle I think this is just gonna be like an Indiana Jones movie, bro. I don't know, man. I'm big on conspiracy, okay? Don't unsubscribe. And just like our tiny little adventures, we cancelled Church Street, okay? Again. We are very indecisive. So, planning on booking a cab from here to JP Nagar because that is the nearest metro station to us. Yes, we live in Electronic City and it's sad. Okay, that's all I can say about that. So we're gonna go to JP Nagar and from there we're gonna take a metro and we're gonna go to Orion Mall. Anywhere. Told you, indecisive.
673.
It has been 45 plus minutes and we did not think this through and we have nothing to do with Orion as well. So I wanted to go to Jetlag because I have never been to Jetlag, bro. Yeah, I've heard quite a few things about it. So I asked Lalwani, do you have something to do in Orion Mall? And he was like, nahi bro. But nevertheless, Orion ke opposite there's Jetlag, right? So killing two birds with one stone or with one Lalwani. Okay, so change of plans again. This is gonna be the most indecisive video of the century. Firstly, we planned on going to Church Street, right? And after that, Orion Mall. And after that, Jetlag. A very, very, very funny story, bro. I mean, not that funny too, but yeah, I was checking Google Maps to check out if there are any breweries nearby, okay? And I found something really strange. I found a shooting academy, shooting range. Yeah, shooting academy in Tittubai. And it's around 600 meters from here. So we stopped the cab right over here and stopped the auto right over there. And we're gonna have to go ulta direction. I love this, bro, because see, na Lalwani iddaga intav kaand baala kirtav. Sorry, yeah. Bro, Google Maps got me to this place, okay? And yes, second floor alli Golden Ace shooting. We were planning on going out for drinks, bro. I didn't think I was going to shoot people today. For legal reasons, I'm not shooting people, okay? Yeah, let's see. Training very shooting range. Hello. It's the first time we're visiting a shooting range. Actually. I don't know how this works. Could you just explain?
We have recreational packages. That one is 750 rupees per person. In that you will get a detailed walkthrough with 45 shots. And you will get 2 different air rifles and 1 air pistol. It will take 45 minutes to 1 hour time to do.
Ma'am, we'll go with the 2 thing. That's actually so good. Is it okay if I video this, the whole thing? Yeah, I have a YouTube, so just
okay. You are welcome. Please
don't laugh at me, please. You know, the release and waiver liability agreement, basically it means, bro, you're not allowed to shoot people, just allowed to, you know, shoot the board that they give us or something like that. I don't know why I'm sweating, okay? So I didn't think shooting ranges are gonna be this quiet, bro, because shooting ranges are supposed to be, you know. The funny thing is the reception lady, she asked us, how did you hear about us, sir? And I told her, yeah, it's a funny story. So yeah, you know what happened. Out of all the things that are happening right now, Lalwani is worried that he's wearing Crocs, bro. He thought we weren't going to do something, you know, that interesting with life and it's not going to be that happening and not one of his proudest moments. I mean, it has been quite a few minutes, bro, and to be honest, these chairs, these people waiting here, it makes me feel like we're in a hospital. Okay. It's funny because it's true. I mean, just look at this chair. I haven't been to enough airports to tell you like this feels like an airport, but yeah, hospital maybe, yes. Sure then. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah.
Both of you are trying it for the first time?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just give you a little intro and then we'll start off.
Okay.
So basically, this is a professional 10 meters air rifle or air pistol shooting. So in 10 meters, there are 10 air rifles and air pistols. Anything beyond 10 meters requires ammunition. So they'll be using gunpowder in the bullets. Here we'll be using something called as pellets.
Billets.
Yes. It is about .177 caliber or basically like 4.5 mm. These are poisonous as well as dangerous as bullets, as these can penetrate up to 5 inches deep.
5 inches deep. Okay.
So before we start, 3 safety rules to follow. Always point the gun towards the target even when the gun is not loaded. Unless you're ready to take the shot, keep your finger away from the trigger. Once the gun is loaded, make sure do not leave it unattended on the table. So both of you are right-handers?
Yes.
Comfortable with closing your left eye?
Hopefully, yes.
You can just check it out.
Yeah, okay. I think I can do it, right? Yeah.
Feet has to be parallel. Lift the gun in your biceps like this. Right hand is for the grip. Place your left hand below this. Lift the gun and place your left elbow on the hip like this. There's a small hole over here. You'll have to peek through that with your right hand. Get that ring in the front side aligned with the black circle on the right hand. To load the gun, pull the lever all the way back. You'll get a click sound. Let the flattened face in the front and just drop it in this way. Okay. Then close it completely.
Oh yes, Lavani. Oh yes.
The button comes in your biceps. Biceps.
Bicep. It works best when you pull the trigger.
It works best when you pull the trigger.
Now just keep the gun long
Reload.
hold on the gun. Check the shot. And that is your first shot.
Damn, bro. Nice. Ill.
ನಾ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ.
Nice. Laloni, nice. Very nice. I'm very proud of you. ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಿಡಿ.
You need to pull that back completely.
ಇತ್ತ ಬಲ್ಲಿ think I missed it by a lot.
You hit on this. So
Yeah.
you have just a mark.
ಚಸ್ಮಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ ಹೋಗ್ತಲೇ ಇದೆ. I think I can fix this. Hold on. Laloni hit all 4 in black, okay? Finally, I hit one of the shots in the black. This is sad, bro. Trying, I'm getting better, okay? And the first time I didn't shoot this clip, I hit it very close to the center. Almost bullseye. I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now.
It's okay, you're doing MBA in agency.
MBA in agency, yeah, sure. People are all around here. There are classes going on that side, and there are a few people who are just here to shoot as well. It feels strange to say that. I think I officially give up now because this is mine and this is Lalwani's. Everybody's really good at this and I tried. I should have bought glasses. They have asked us to look through one eye, okay? And when I see that, bro, सब blur हो जाता है. Now we are talking. Nice. भाई हम ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Allowed ಇಲ್ಲ.
Even if it's not loaded.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
Thank you. ನೀ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ ಗನ್ನಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಡ್ನೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಡಬೇಡಿ. ಗುಡ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫೇರ್ ಫೈಟ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಬ್ರೋ. Just miss, bro, or else it would have gone out of the paper. Yeah. Okay, so for trying after like half hour of this, I finally managed to not hit this at all. Okay, so this guy is a natural, bro, and look at mine. I'm telling you, bro. See, that guy who was teaching us, he told us that unless and until you hit on the paper, you're one of the good ones, okay? Because just look at the numbers on top there. The 3 is no more because One of the elite ones, okay? I'm telling you, stay away from me, or else you know, right? We are cowboy boys. Don't unsubscribe.
So this is basically a bullpup design air rifle used for outdoors primarily using a scope. So we use a bipod because whenever using a scope, you need a lot of stabilization. You will always be shooting with support. But this particular design is called as bullpup. Some of the most famous guns you would have seen is the Tawar, which army uses.
Yeah.
Especially the special forces. The idea behind this gun is to keep the whole gun very short. So this is the shortest gun you would see.
With the long range.
Yes, with the exact same distance, it can shoot the same capacity because barrel length is not compensated.
Yeah.
Such a crazy looking gun, bro.
When I go outdoors, I use that gun for shooting.
What kind of shooting are you talking here?
We don't shoot people. It's all about targets. We keep play targets. We keep small targets. So basically, we want to shoot that off. Take my time to aim.
Nice.
Accuracy is also phenomenal in this gun.
Plus, you are a good aim, sir. It's
out of practice.
yeah.
Just 22 years.
22 years. That's how old I am. Santosh, hi, Putraj Bhatt. And this is my friend Sayam Lara.
Hi. Now if you guys recording a video, so I thought I'll show you guys.
This for YouTube. So you're gonna be on YouTube pretty soon, sir. If you aren't already, I'm sure you
There are
are.
a lot of videos there.
Yeah.
It's me.
Thank you so much for letting us do this.
If you want to just have a look through the scope, how it looks. When you're aiming on the scope, right, you can't look from very far, you can't look from very close. Right, perfect distance.
Oh right. Yeah, I get it now.
The whole thing becomes clear.
You can see
If you
this.
see, go closer, get closer.
This is how you're supposed to see it, but you're gonna have to go a little closer, bro. But this thing is coming in the middle.
You turn the phone where the lens is. So get close. So when the whole thing is clear, that's the perfect aim.
दूर ಹೋಗಬೇಡ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಇಡಬೇಡ ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಇಡಬೇಡ
Safety on ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
It's going really great, sir. I mean, air gun ನಲ್ಲಿ it's yeah.
Basically, you can shoot a person. And the person is bigger than this. That's the idea. Because you can shoot with a lot of accuracy with pistols. But
Yeah.
Definitely, it's not ನಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. As long as you can shoot a size of a person. If your shots are going left and right to the target also, that means you can still shoot a person at this distance. That's the concept.
It gets me anxiety when he says shoot a person.
Size of a person.
Size of a
Target is
person.
size
Yeah, of course.
person.
Of course.
That's what
Yes,
I mean.
yes. So what you're saying is I did great, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Definitely, that's good.
I did kind of better than him, but yeah, that's
Acceptable.
Acceptable. I'm weirdly scared of you.
Me?
Yeah, you have a really good aim.
Left hand is completely break.
According to the owner of this, I'm capable enough to kill a man. Okay, because with the aim. ಲಾಲ್ವಾಣಿ ಏಮ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೀಗೆ ನಗಸ್ಬಿಡೋದು. All works every single time. Yes, bro. Your day was very generous. I understand that. Mine wasn't. These are the two that was already happening, and there's one more and final truth now. Oh shit. Bata has leveled up now. At last, it's hitting the black part of this paper, and I'm taking all these 3 papers home. We made a few friends over here, and I think that clip was already been put here. So she subscribed to the channel. So and it is a healthy reminder for you to do that as well. Okay. Subtle like ಹೇಳೋದಾಗಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ very subtle. Okay, please subscribe. Can we take this home, bro? I'm gonna frame it, a reminder for me to, improve my aim eventually in life. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed, sir. Amazing experience. Surely come back again. Lalwadi is so pissed off right now that the one day he was supposed to wear his Skechers wala chunky shoes and show off. He didn't do it and he regrets it very deeply because you guys are smart, right? You should figure it out. Yeah, bro, it's super funny. Okay, and yes, I finally went to a shooting range. We're just gonna go back to the place that we live, sad stanza living, and gonna order something and eat and call it a day. So yeah, it was a pretty awesome and a wonderful day, bro. It's a new experience. We got to learn a new stuff and I'm gonna cherish that for the rest of my life. And yeah, if you watched until here, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name is Bata. Welcome to the fam.
Serious, make
Adios.
Mr. Delirious. Bitches on my dick, cause a boy so mysterious.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. ಬಯಸ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೋಣೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಡ